Target is a great opportunity for Walmart flips. So yeah, let's go check it out. Hey guys, I'm in Target and today is having like a 50% off on like a lot of the toys. So I already have a cart full and I just want to show you what it looks like when I'm sourcing at Target versus sourcing at Walmart. So yeah, let's check it out. So we will go in the Walmart app. As you can see, this is a 50% off clearance for this Nerf gun. We'll scan the product right here. But as you can see, this has no reviews. And so because of that reason, I will just move on. And this is another 50% off for this Nerf gun. So let's go ahead and scan that one. That one is for $19.49 at Walmart, and I can buy it here at Target for $9.99. Let's look at the metrics in here. There's 25 reviews, which is great. And I always double check the product picture right here with what is on the shelf, and that looks like it's right. This is sold by a third-party seller. It is not sold by Walmart. So let's just do the metrics really quick. Let's just see if it matches out. So we'll do a calculator. We wanted to try and sell this for $19.49 times 8.5 for referral fee minus 9.99. This is definitely over a pound. So let's just do $5, $1.50 profit. We'll just move on. So let's just go back to our scanning. This is for $14.99. It's also $14.99 here. So we'll go ahead and move on. Sometimes I just scan this little barcode right here. Not found, that means it's not in their catalog, but let's just scan the product itself. Yep, not found. Let's take a look at this one. Ooh, it's $27.99 and it is here for $12.97. 9 reviews. This looks like a different one. I'm gonna scan the product. It's $24.98, so I'm glad that I checked that. So let's just go right here. $9.97. It's $4.99 here, but it's still a little low. $34.99 for $19.99. This looks like a great deal. However, there are no reviews, so we will go ahead and keep moving. You guys can see my huge cart load full. And let's just keep going. This cute little mommy puppy can't be found. A lot of times that does happen on the other stores. Could be an opportunity for you to buy it and then create your own listing on Walmart, but that is not something I'm into right now. $24.98 here for $12.99, but there are no reviews. So we'll go ahead and keep going. Ooh, this gel blaster right here is for $6.29 here. Our code can't be found. That's okay, we'll keep going. Ooh, this is for $31.90, but it is here at Target for $39.99, so it's a little bit way out of our price range. Can't be found. That's okay. We'll just try a couple more and see how far we get. Ooh, $44.99. It is going here for $24.99. Let's look at the information. It's got 44 reviews. It looks like it's the same product that's on the shelf. It's not being sold by Walmart. So let's just look at the numbers. So let's say $45.99 times 0.85 minus $24.99. Let's do minus $6 just to be safe with the shipping. So that's an $8 profit on this item. So definitely gonna grab this one today because looks like there's a few on the shelf and let's take advantage. Okay, that was all the Nerf aisle here in Target, so we'll go ahead and go check out and see how we did, but Target is a great opportunity for Walmart flips, so yeah, let's go check it out. Okay, Target was very successful. I spent $577, 30 items. My cart is overflowing. I can't even fit it all in, so yeah, it was a great time at Target. So maybe I'll go back in and try another category, but maybe I think I'll move on to, I believe these are Marshalls and a Ross and a grocery outlet. So let's just go try those first.